my name is Dion and I'll be your instructor in this Python course. In this course, we are going to learn everything you need to get started programming in Python. Every day, people use Python for a variety of different tasks like data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation. If you are a beginner, don't worry. I'll help you throughout this course. And Python is super easy to learn. So I've done my best to create the best possible Python course for beginners. And I'll appreciate it if you support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others so they can learn as well. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Now let's jump in and get started. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Python on your computer. The first thing I want you to do is to open up your browser and head over to python.org. On this page, click on Downloads. Here, you can see the latest version of Python. Currently, at the time of recording this video, the latest version is Python 3.8.5. Chances are in the future, when you're watching this tutorial, there is a newer version of Python available. Don't worry, all the materials we learn in this course will apply to the latest version of Python as well. So let's go ahead and download Python. Now look at your downloads folder. Here we should see Python 3 installer. Double click on that. If you are on Windows, you should see this little checkbox here. Add Python 3.8 to path. This is important, so make sure you check this box, else you will not be able to follow this tutorial. If you are on Mac, just click continue and install. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this beginner series. And also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.